So this is exactly how to log in to Spotify with the QR code. So what you need to do firstly is to go into Google, then search for Spotify and click on Spotify right here as you can see. Make sure to get the app because without the app this is not going to work, just so you know. So now when you got the app, just go into your Spotify app on your computer now and you will be able to see the QR code right here. So now what you need to do is to grab your camera app here on your phone as you can see, and then you're going to scan the camera, the QR code here with your camera. Make sure that you also have the Spotify app installed on your phone and you're logged into your Spotify account. Then click on the yellow bar here that says Spotify, you can see, or the yellow link, and it's just gonna load here for us. So let's see if it's going to actually log us in here. So you're going to click on pair here. Perfect. So we're gonna see here if it actually logs us in, which it does of course. And basically that is exactly how to actually do this.